Hey y'all, thank y'all for joining me during this moment. I just had to get some off my chest. I had a real bad dream last night, like a crazy dream. And I know y'all done had some crazy dreams, but I just had to share mine. Like, I don't know, honestly know what it was about. I don't know if it means something. I hope it don't. But I owed somebody $10,000. And the people who came, I guess they were some gangsters. I don't know, somebody that, and they would not believe me, so they kept on trying to kill me. They kept on trying to kill me, like, and this got so bad to where I kept, you know how some of the dreams keep replaying, you keep on going through the same nightmare, like it kept on doing that. So it's like they kept on coming to do, like, to kill me. They kept on coming back to beat me. Like, it was so crazy. And then it got so weird. This the weird part. They started sending their little kids. They had their little kids like watching, and they would pop up in the house and try to kill me to get this $10,000. It was just crazy. So I don't know if that meant something. Only thing I hope it meant is that 10,000 coming my way. I see how that witch hazel, how your face looking. My friend making some homemade egg rolls.
Yeah, bro. You can't no egg roll. You ain't got no cabbage or nothing.
Right, we got broccoli, making one with broccoli, cream cheese. These the egg roll wraps, and jalapeno peppers go in them, and of course the chicken. Seasoning with olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and adobo. An accent. Y'all know I love the accent. Accent. Oh, you ain't getting on my plate yet. I told you. One time.
And that's all I'm
And he smoked. That's the thing, he smoked, but he said that he only can hit it one time. We go to Trendsetters over there on 147 off Austin.
My friend working there.
For real?
Mm-hmm. Used to be a rapper. Wasn't that the video? Is that what it was? Mm-hmm.
I can edit it out. Like, I might not even have a conversation. I might do how I did the video with her. Right.
I can give me out there long time. That's gonna be stupid.
No. Your hair don't look stupid. She cutting up the broccoli, y'all. She cooking these egg rolls up. We up in here doing in. Remy is the drink this Friday for this Friday vlog. I love you all and stay safe. And see you in a couple minutes. Don't nobody like no stank ass breath. Don't nobody like that.
Do y'all like spicy stuff?
Yeah, I do.
What about Mark?
He gonna like it. Motherfuckers be good. Y'all see that? The way I'm gonna edit it, you know, you ain't gonna be able to. This like.
I'm slaving me out right now. I feel like a slave. Shit! Why is it so hot? I'm sorry, man.
So good, y'all. Look so good. Oh, true. This is the final output, y'all. Made by Thais Martin or Butler. She said,
Why we need all that?
real. This is the best candle, y'all. Little Fiji white sand. The best one, I'm telling y'all, on my mama. The best candle. And we got the best worker up in here, Sarah. Thank you, sweetheart.
Of course.
This one right here, y'all. This one. All right, focus. Focus. That one. Sun-drenched linen. It is so good, y'all. I ain't lying to you. It's so good. Please get it. This is what happens when you leave out late to go grocery shopping. Y'all see that? But we go, man, on our way. Marcus Payne, 319. It's cold, y'all. It's cold. We going in Petsmore. Hi, how are you? Hey, y'all. It's cold, y'all. We out here in a fucking storm. So you know that's mean we don't give a hell. What's going on? Look at them fish tanks. Them bitches hot. I want another koi. Thinking about getting another koi because one of the Japanese koi, it ended up dying. So might get another koi and a couple guppies. You know?
No, we have no guppies.
I want a koi. What are the kois? That was the kois over there, right?
Down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of them bad boys.